God's people, great people of this country, I want to salute all of you. I want to first, let me begin by introducing to you those that are standing with me here. We have 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly that defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress APC. 27 of us. But standing with me here, one of us is indisposed on health grounds, so she's not here. But out of the 27 of us, apart from the one that is not here on head ground, 26 of us are here. Complete. Are you seeing that we are complete? We are complete here. Let me say something here. Some days ago, we defected inside the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State House of Assembly in line with section 109 of the 1999 Constitution as altered. We made sure that we followed due process. We made sure that we did not do anything outside the provisions of the 1999 Constitution. The Constitution has given room for people to defect. That is why in section 109 subsection 1G, it allows serving legislators who want to defect to do so with a proviso that there is a division in the party upon which they rode to the House of Assembly. There is clearly a division in the PDP. So in line with that section, we defected to the All Progressive Congress. It's important I begin by making this remark because I've read in the social media, in the electronic and print media, people who don't like to read the Constitution, those who prefer to read analysis rather than reading the Constitution, saying that we did not meet constitutional requirements. Remember that the Constitution has also said that it is the Speaker who will give effect to section 109 subsection 1 of the Constitution. And by virtue of the provisions of the Constitution, members have the right and have exercised our rights because of the division in the PDP. I'll leave it to that. Another day, we will tell you more about all that is being referred to as the division in the PDP. We have all the particulars, the evidence which the Constitution referred to that should be produced. We have all of it, and it has been sent to the House of Assembly. It is now in our records. Anybody who wants to see it will provide all the records, all the evidence that shows that there's division in the PDP, which necessitated our defection to the All Progressive Congress. That said,
welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The voice you heard and the cheerings that you heard were that of Nyesom Wike lawmakers in Rivers State when they defected from the People's Democratic Party, the party that sponsored them to office in 2023, to the All Progressive Congress. That is undisputable fact of their defection. You heard it from their own mouth. The person that spoke clearly was Martins Amehule, the Speaker of the Nyesom Wike lawmakers. He spoke so clearly, so eloquently, and made absolute sense, as far as they are concerned, on the reason for their defection from the PDP to the All Progressive Congress. And it's interesting that when you listen to him, he did not only spoke to the people of Rivers State, he spoke to Nigerians. He mentioned that he is speaking to the good people of Rivers State and to Nigerians, telling the whole country why they are defected from the PDP to the APC. And he made it so clear in his own understanding that they follow due process in their defection. In other words, that they have defected is not in dispute, because they also justified their defection. And you heard Amefule clearly saying that they followed due process. That they followed, he said, we made sure that we followed the due process. So there was clarity of thought, there was clarity of plans. So we made sure we followed the due process. He said we followed the Constitution. And he also claimed that they followed Section 1091G of the 1999 Constitution. Section 1091G, in summary, is a section of the 1999 Constitution as amended, which stipulates that for a lawmaker to defect from the party that brought it to power to another political party, it must show proof that there is crisis in his original party. Because if he cannot show that truth, that evidence of crisis, that person automatically loses his or her seat in this state assembly or even national assembly. So they were aware of this fact, and their speaker, Martin Samehule, who is lawyer to former governor of Rivers State and now minister of the Federal Capital Treasurer, Nyesom Wike, was aware of the implication of what they are doing at the time, and they believe that they follow the due process. And he drew attention to something also, if you listen carefully. He noted that it was the speaker that gives effect to Section 1091G. In other words, if you want to defect, it is the speaker that will give you the clarity of defection, saying, we have accepted your defection. In other words, he was saying that the Constitution empowers the speaker to sort of have the last say in the defection process. And he said that they followed the same process, because he said it that they defected at the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State Assembly. So what evidence do we need again to know that these people have defected? Now, having defected, and it was discovered that the PDP was not in crisis as they claimed, they have therefore fallen victim to Section 1091G. And that was why their seats were declared vacant in 2023, December 2023. Now, if their seats were declared vacant, and having seen evidence that they have defected, Why should the Independent National Electoral Commission? Why should they wait for this long to conduct by-election? So that if these lawmakers are still interested in their seats, they can contest, but this time under the flag of the APC. Why is INEC delaying despite several letters written to them by the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, even before Victor Okojombo became the new Speaker, the former Speaker that is now the Chief of Staff to the Governor, to Governor Simi Fubara? They started writing to INEC to conduct by-election to fill the vacant positions created by their defection. So what this video has shown is that it is not true that they did not defect. Therefore, they cannot claim that they are still in PDP. They defected clearly. They said it with their own mouth. They spoke not only to the people of Rivers State, but to the people of Nigeria. Listen carefully to what you can watch it again. What Amefle said, he spoke not only to the people of Rivers State, but to the people of Nigeria, that they have defected from the PDP to the APC. And it was a lengthy video. They gave example reasons why they think that APC was the best choice for them. Their choice of APC is immaterial, but what is material is that they have defected. Having defected, why should they still be holding Simi Fubara to ransom, the governor of Rivers State? Because you heard them clearly. They say they are no longer members of the PDP, that they are now members of the APC. And they say that they follow due process in their defection. So when did they have a sudden turnaround that they are no longer, that they didn't defect again? It shows clearly that if Nigeria is not a banana republic, these people by their own mouth, by their own actions, have made it clear that they have defected. And the section 1091G they talked about is very clear on the consequences of their action. They cannot eat their cake and have it. That is true. You cannot defect and don't defect. It's not allowed in the Constitution. You have made your choices. You had them with clarity. This is not the kind of choice that was made flippantly or without deep thoughts. They know exactly what they were doing, that they were defecting. It was when it dawned on them that they have entered one chance, that they now try to claim that they are no longer, that they didn't defect again. I hope that the lawyers of Simi Fubara and others, they have these videos to show that these people have defected. Even the chairman of All Progressive Congress in Rivers State, Emeka Beke, has also confirmed that they defected to the APC. Emeka Beke is the authentic chairman of the APC in Rivers State, and not the caretaker committee chairman, Tony Okocha, that was foisted on the Rivers APC by the Ganduje-led National Working Committee of the APC. And Emeka Beke has made it clear that these people have defected. And you have them on record they address a gathering of their supporters to give proof that they have left PDP and they have found a new home in APC. They cannot be allowed to eat their cake and have it. So I stand with the governor of Rivers State and all of those who believe strongly that they, by their action, cannot be presiding over the affairs of the state, having officially defected with their own mouth, both at the hallowed chamber of the State House of Assembly and their public pronouncements that they have defected. And they said they followed the due process, but it was later when their action were called to question that they now had a change of heart. But by then it was already too late. So I think the Rivers State government is very right in insisting that they are not longer lawmakers of Rivers State, based on their own, what they say with their own mouth. They are the ones that have implicated themselves. They are the ones that voluntarily, nobody coerced them to defect from PDP to APC. So Rivers State Governor Simi Fubara and the people of Rivers State, they are right in saying that these people are no longer speaking for us. They no longer legislate for us. That's my take on this matter. I don't know what you think, but whatever you think, let us hear from you. Talk to us at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.